In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Figma. Whether you're working late into the night or simply prefer a darker interface, switching to dark mode can reduce strain on your eyes and prolong your device's battery life. Let's dive into the steps and get your Figma interface looking sleek and stylish. First things first, head over to the Figma website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in figma.com in the search bar. Figma is a popular collaborative interface design tool used by designers around the world for creating user interfaces, wireframes, and more. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to log in. Simply click on the login button, which you should see at the top right corner of your screen. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. This is your central hub for all your design projects, recent files, and any shared workspaces. Take a moment to admire all the creative work you've been doing. Now, to continue with activating dark mode, look towards the top right of the screen again. Here you'll find your profile icon, which is usually a simple circle or your selected avatar if you've set one up. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu. This drop-down contains various account settings you can adjust, but today we're focused on one specific feature, changing the theme. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Theme. Clicking on Theme will open a new set of choices, revealing the available themes that Figma offers. At this stage, you'll have the opportunity to choose between the default light theme or the dark theme, which we're aiming for today. Select dark and almost instantly you'll notice the entire Figma interface transform into a sleek dark color scheme. This theme keeps the same functionality you're used to, but with a cooler, eye-friendly look. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Figma. Now you can work comfortably, regardless of the time of day, without straining your eyes on a bright white background. If you ever choose to switch back to the light theme, you can follow these same steps and select light in the theme menu. Remember that dark mode not only looks great, but can also help with focus and concentration, making it an excellent choice for designers who spend long hours at their computer. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your design tools. Enjoy your new Figma dark mode and happy designing.